Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 maths, chapter 8 fractions. Today we will discuss about fractions and its types. So fraction means equal parts of a whole. Types of fractions. Now we will discuss one by one all types of fractions. First one is your like fractions. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. For example, here 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. These all fractions are having same denominator, that is 4. So these fractions are known as like fractions. Next is unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Like here, three shapes are there and fractions of shaded parts are given as 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Now, in each fraction, denominators are different. So, that's why these fractions are known as unlike fractions. Next is your equivalent fractions. Observe the following figures. Circles are there. Now in circle 1, in 2, 3 and in 4 circle, the same portion of the circle has been shaded. So we say they are equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. Like for example 1 by 2 in first figure, second figure 2 by 4, third figure 3 by 6 and in fourth figure fraction of shaded parts will be 4 by 8. So all these fractions are known as equivalent fractions. Next one is your unit fractions. Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions. For example, now fraction of shaded parts will be 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. In each case, we have 1 as a numerator. So that fractions which are having 1 as a numerator, that are known as unit fractions. Next is proper fractions. A fraction whose denominator is greater than the numerator is a proper fraction. For example, 3 by 5. Now 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. Now numerator is smaller than the denominator. So these type of fractions are known as proper fractions. In examples, you can see 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 10, 7 by 10. In all these fractions, you can say numerators are smaller than denominators. So that's why these all are the examples of proper fractions. Next is improper fractions. A fractions whose denominator is less than the numerator is an improper fraction. For example, 5 by 2. Now 5 is a numerator and 2 is a denominator. Now numerator is greater than the denominator. So these type of fractions are known as improper fractions. Now here you can see the difference between proper and improper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator should be smaller than the denominator, and in improper fraction, numerator should be greater than the denominator. This is the difference between proper and improper fractions. Last is mixed fractions or mixed numbers. When we combine a number with a proper fraction, we get a mixed fraction. Now, mixed fraction is a combination of two numbers, whole number plus fractional number, and that fractional number should be a proper fraction. Now, here you can see here two squares are given, one whole square is shaded. Now from here one indicate as it is as a whole number. Now second square is divided into four equal parts, and out of four equal parts only three parts are shaded. So fraction of shaded parts will be 3 by 4. So it is a combination of a whole and a fractional part. So these type of fractions are known as mixed fractions, and we can read it as 1 3 by 4. This is all about types of fractions. Okay students, take care.